being wet. Just close that one, close the store when you go. Close that one, tight with the bonding wire. Okay. How's your head now?
I'm okay.
Okay?
That's what's up.
Don't get sick, huh? If you sick, you don't have work, you don't have money, problem, huh? Ready?
Yes.
You need to be strong.
Yes, no.
Yeah, eye problem. Okay, now. Oh, sunrise, it's hard, huh?
Yes.
You don't like this one? Too much food, huh? Too much food,